Male face of the night, Ruby Domingo.
Our male face of the night will receive a plaque and a cash prize from Benquilla Productions and Echo Mix Construction.
And the female face of the night, congratulations, Marian Rivera.
The female face of the night will receive a plaque and cash prize from Benquilla.
And on behalf of Miss Marian, we will be receiving the award. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you can now congratulate yourself.
I know! Gusto ko lang sabihin na pinapatunayan na po ng award na to na just for tonight, mas gwapo ko sa'yo. Bigyan mo na sa akin. Again, congratulations. Thank you so much to our wonderful sponsors. We are almost halfway through our awarding ceremony, but we have to say thank you to someone who I admit is as handsome as me.
Hindi nga pwede kasi nga nanalo ka na yan.
Ngayon lang. Pero sa lahat ng araw, panalong-panalo ka. Let's say thank you to Mr. Alden Richards. Thank you so much for being right here doing the hosting duties for the evening.
Yes, salamat. It's always an honor to be co-hosting with you, Robbie. Siyempre, parang first yata natin to.
And I hope it's not the last.
First natin.
Manifested dream ko to.
Manifest natin. And as well as, of course, to Bianca and to Miss Aiko, maraming salamat. And thank you, PNBC, for having me on this milestone night.
Yes, but it doesn't mean that iiwanan po tayo ni Alden. We'll say hello, love again sa kanya. Because syempre, we'll be around because we're really excited to know kung sino nga ba ang mag-uwi ng Best Actor and Best Actress crown. And Alden is one of the strong contenders of the evening. Sobra.
Hindi naman yung strong.
Dito yung buong family and fans mo. Can we hear a big roar coming from the fans of Alden?
Thank you, boss.
Alright.
Pero yan,
Good luck, brother.
of course, malalaman natin yan. Sa pagbabalik ng the 40th Star Awards for Movies, we'll be right back with more exciting awards. Thank you, boss.
Builders and Development Corporation, and they from Miss Baby Go of PG Productions.
the female shining personality of the night, congratulations to Miss Aiko Merengue.
The female shining personality of the night will receive a plaque and cash prize from Intelli Builders and Development.
Congratulations, BMPC, 40 years.
10 years na. Golden na.
Oo.
Dito ka pa yan.
Saan na naman? Sa mundong ito?
Hindi,
Sana
sa
naman.
showbiz ang ibig.
Ah,
10 years.
kailangan pa. Hindi pa ako bayad sa kasal eh.
We would like to call the presence of Engineer Benjamin Austria and Miss Maureen Eco. Engineer Benjamin Austria and Miss Maureen Eco to kindly proceed to the backstage. Thank you.
Pwede na po mag...
Banter lang.
Banter.
Parang ino pag gusto itanong eh, ba't parang iba yung aura mo ngayon, ang saya-saya mo?
Eh, hindi, syempre. Talaga.
Inspired ka ba?
Choice yun. Inspired tayo. Choice naman yun. Pero, ikaw ba?
Choice mo ba pumunta doon?
Oo naman.
Okay. Takot ako baka may mga, uy, nakataas oh. Oh, wala ako sinasabi.
Support tayo. Na, support. Ako. Tayo.
Sabi oh.
Tayo next week.
Is that announced? You can say that. No. Abangan niyo po Hello, Love Again.
Yeah. November 13. Manager pa kita?
Oo, nakabook nga eh. Bukas may taping ka ng Pulang Araw.
Tuesday.
Segway pa yan, Pulang Araw pa rin. Kasi matagal kang mawawala eh.
Hindi. Guesting.
Mag-guesting ka?
Promo.
Saan? Ikaw na busy ko. Dami pera ni Alden Richards. Sabi ni Honorable, pambayad ko ng overtime. Kumain na po ba kayo? Di ba? Huwag kayong mag-alala, nakausap ka na si Alden. Siya na daw po bahala.
Saan?
Palakpakan niyo po si Alden Richards. Maraming salamat.